Okay, let's talk about the spec of the L20 3.0 boost. It has a max load capacity of 150 kilograms, rider height suitability between 5'1" and 6'3". It is foldable, it has 5 levels of pedal assist, a max range of 135 kilometers. It is a max IP rating of IPX7. Also, the bike weight is actually 33 kilograms. It has front hydraulic suspension. It also has rear suspension. It has 20-inch by 3-inch urban hybrid tires. It also has a 3mm anti-puncture layer in the tires, which is very nice to see. The motor is 48 volt hub motor with a max torque of 75 newton meters. That is also have a torque sensor. Battery is a 48 volt 13.5 ampere hour battery with BMS. It also has a 3.5 inch LED color display. It's app controllable. It has a really nice 54.6 volt 8 amp output fast charger, which is something that I've actually never seen before. But don't worry, I will explain everything in the full review. In the meantime, let's give it a first ride test. Okay, first ride on the boost. Well, the handlebars are extremely close to your chest. First of all, it's the closest I've ever actually felt on a bike to the handlebars. It's a bit of a weird feeling. Oh, hydraulic brakes are of course excellent. Let me see what top speed I can get up to in a second. But we do have street tires on this model. A very different frame. Suspension, front midpoint suspension. I will do a full review on this e-bike, but this is primarily just to get a feel for it. So keep an eye out for that video. I'm also going to see if I can unlock the full speed of this model, so that will be in the review. Hopefully I can. I will do my research. The spec of this is that it has an extremely fast charger, 8 amp hour output, so theoretically you should be able to charge this in just over a couple of hours, give or take. But okay, it's a torque sensor bike. Suspension is actually not too bad. Let me see really what I can get up to. I'd say I'm gonna max this out at about 25. Handling is actually really good on this bike because of those huge tires. We'll do a brake test now in a second, but let me see what I can get up to. We are of course full charge, max pressure in the wheels. Okay, so max speed we can get on this model is 24 kilometers an hour. I have a feeling though you can unlock this bike no problem. It does have this boost button here, so let me just press that, or I think you hold down that. Okay, it says boost on the screen, but nothing's happening. What does that do? Maybe we'll try it at a standstill. Okay, I'll press it. Ah, okay. Whoa. Okay, let me do that again just to show you. So you hold down the button. So if you're at a set of traffic lights, you need to pull off fast, hold down the button, start the pedal, and of course torque is completely different compared to if you don't press it. So let me just show you. You don't press it, you pedal as normal. Okay, but then you press this button, and then the torque of course increases. Quite a different feature I'm not used to. Brakes. Oh, brakes excellent. You can feel the suspension there has nice dampening. Midpoint suspension. Don't worry, I will do a full breakdown. Very good actually. Comfortability standpoint, very nice, quietly built. Yeah, cannot bottom out the suspension, which is a really good thing. You have very height adjustable handlebars. So let me just show you actually what height these increase to. So that is the maximum height. So that's actually quite tall. That's actually right above my chest. Of course, I'm not the tallest person in the world, so we'll stick it on the lowest one for now. Let's press that boost button again. Ooh, there we go. Woo! Bit of a hill up here. I'll give it a hill test now in a second. Actually, quite a comfortable bike. Plus, this bike is foldable. So again, something that I will show in the review, and any questions you have of course leave them in the comment section below and I will reply. We have also 7 Shimano gears on this bike. They shift quite smoothly. They're dialed in well. So yeah, build quality of course on Engwe is actually quite good. They've never really disappointed me, to be honest. So we're going down the hill now. But let me slam on the brakes and do a hill test. Oh, whoa, oh god, those wow, okay, those brakes are really good. Okay, so let me just press this boost button. Okay, so we're going up the hill back again. Let me shift my gears. Okay, so hill climbing ability, it's actually quite good. Hill is a tiny bit steep, so I have it on 5, but it's actually excellent for going up a hill. So first impressions, first ride on the boost, actually quite good. Display, nice modern LCD display. It's actually not really a heavy bike. It might look heavy, but it's not that heavy. First impressions quite good. So definitely keep an eye out for the review. Feel free to ask any questions on this boost model, and if you want to see an in-depth video, if I can get hold of the P settings, I will make that as a separate video if you want to unlock this, if your country allows it. So if you want to see that video, and if I can do that video, if I get the information, of course do comment below. But in the meantime, definitely check out my other bikes that I've done and keep an eye out for the review of this boost model.